Morning, guys. September 1st, 2021. I'm going to do a little vlog here. My work truck, I blew the transmission a couple of days ago, and I was able to head first, second gear type of thing. So I was able to get it to my mechanic, and looks like I'm going to be down for a week or 10 days or whatever. So there's not much I could do about that. I dropped it off over there. He's got a garage. He could park it inside and pull the tranny out and probably send it to the tranny shop. And I got a couple of things I needed to do with the truck, so I'm kind of like sucking wind here without my truck. I could probably work out of the pickup truck if I want to, but it's never a good thing. Anyway, I'm having a new roof put on my house. I've been at this house for 40 years. I got here at 17, and I'm 57 now. 40 years. That's a long time. You want to come up? There's Miss Molly. She's coming up to hang out with me. A lot of people have sent me some of this stuff here in the mail. Some stuff with, welcome to the shit show and good enough for this neighborhood and all kinds of stuff. Got a few screws loose, mama. I appreciate all that stuff. I got some other stuff in my truck that I use, and a couple other things going on. So it might not be videos for a little bit, maybe until I get up and running again. I really didn't have a lot of videos in the backlog that I could, cut up and make videos with. So the transmission kind of really screwed me over. I might go down to Cape for a couple of days over the weekend and just kind of take a couple of days off. We'll see. So, I do appreciate all my loyal subscribers that have been sticking with me, and the support, and the local, my loyal subs over the time that's been with me. I do appreciate that. I've been doing videos for over 8 years now. 8.5 years I've been posting a video every day. So maybe I need a little time off. Maybe a couple of days here and there. And maybe I could do something and get some videos going. But it's going to be a couple of days before I get some working videos going. It's going to be switching over to heating season real soon here. So it's kind of like in between AC and heating season. I have been getting some calls, but I just been telling the people I can't do it because my truck's down. And I might switch over to the pickup, but it's never a good thing working out of a pickup truck. You don't have a lot of room for parts, and you can bring your tools and stuff, but then you got to do a lot of running back and forth to the supply house. So it's never a good thing. I just wanted to do this quick little video so you guys know I'm okay if I don't see any videos for a couple of days. It's because my truck, I blew the transmission. I was down probably about 40 minutes away from my house when the tranny blew down the highway. So I had to come back on first and second gear all the way down the highway in the breakdown lane, and luckily I was able to get it to my mechanics, and he could get it inside where it's safe. So I don't want to leave my truck outside, type of thing. So just a quick little update of what's going on with me, and I'm fine. Me and Miss Molly are fine. My little buddy right here. And, be a couple of days, and I'll get back up online again here and rocking and rolling with some more videos, hopefully. All right, guys, just thanks for the continued support, and leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. It's always a good thing. All right, more videos to come.